This is so good. It is not for the faint of heart. I will tell you right now. If you are generally a scared person, this is not the trip for you. But if you like getting out of your comfort zone, you need to come here. All right, guys, this is the first video of actual motorcycling in Nepal. This whole video is going to be all about our first loop that we did. We ended up doing 2 full loops. One was to the south. That's what this one is. We went down to Chitwan, which is a area and an actual city, which is jungle and craziness and hot and humid and all that. Then the second loop was actually up into the Himalayas. But a little spoiler here, guys. Near the end of the video, I actually see the Himalayas for the very first time, and my reaction, I'm getting goosebumps right now. It's a hell of a thing. So please join me for this. It's a long video. I hope you enjoy it. Please ask questions as we go. I will try to answer them. I'll also maybe make a video at the end of all this, a Q&A video of all your guys' questions that maybe I didn't cover in the video. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's get after it. Let's get on dirt bikes in Nepal. All right, guys, it is the morning of day 1 of riding. Super stoked. We're here at the, what is this place called? It's the middle something spot. Anyway, there'll be a picture or words. Anyway, it's another awesome hotel, man. Suresh has hooked us up with the best accommodations. So nice. Double room, obviously TV that we don't use because we're too busy being in Nepal. Bathroom, super nice. Shower, hot water, great. So yeah, we're gonna go try to find some coffee because people do not get up real early here, and we're still on jacked up time. I wouldn't say it's super jet lag anymore, but I don't know. I wake up really early, and I wake up early anyway. But now it's weird because it's afternoon when I'm anyway. So yeah, let's go get some coffee. Have breakfast with the fam is so great. I got nothing else to associate it with. All right, guys, we are getting ready to get on the bikes. Raju?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, that's our mechanic. We're ready to rock and roll. We're here at Suresh's office, downtown Pokhara, and here are our crossfires. I could not be more excited. This is going to be so awesome. We're going to Bandipur today? Today we're going to Bandipur, and we're going to cross some suspension bridges, and we're going to do some awesome stuff. So, yeah, like I got nothing else to say other than here we go.
Today is the day 1, so just feel the bike, you know, everything. Like, you know, how it runs and how braking, everything, just adjust with the thing.
Thank you.
Now good.
Thank you. All right, guys, so we're heading out and we're going to ride through the town of Pokhara, and everybody in Nepal rides on the left or drives on the left, so it's opposite of the United States. So this is actually super terrifying for me the first time. It's just so backwards and so different. But Suresh did a great job getting us through and getting us out on the road. It's just nuts. There's people. How incredible is this? Ah, goats! Hello, goats! Goats. We are no longer in the United States.
This is why we
Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, I freaking love it. Oh my God. What a freaking amazing thing. I can't even believe this. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
something hard
Thanks,
in
man.
there, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Well, I
Yeah. Guys, let's talk a little bit about these bikes since we're just now getting on them. These are the Crossfires. They're a Nepalese bike. They're a Chinese bike, but it's like a Nepalese brand that they have built in China, and they're Honda copies. And guys, they're very good. I mean, obviously they're not a performance race bike, but man, they run great. Clutch feels great. Suspension is what you'd expect out of an inexpensive bike. It's just fine for going slow and cruising. They're freaking awesome. Electric start, brakes are good. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, guys, literally everything in Nepal is either straight up or straight down. There's very little level ground, so you're going to see a ton of switchbacks in all these videos. All right, guys, we had our first little hiccup. Tom was trying to do too many wheelies.
Chitwan to यहाँ पञ्चायत भयो स्ट्यान्ड चाहियो
Stand. No. Just bring stand.
Oh, yeah.
Easy. Put
Oh, yeah,
stand.
make it easy. Yeah, heck yeah. We'll get her solved up. Gonna have some tea while we're here, too, which is awesome. There's a tea house right there. And, yeah, what a freaking amazing day already. All right, nice little break. Had tea, which is amazing, honestly. Really, really good. It's so good. Which actually was the plan anyway. Turns out we got that flat tire at the exact right spot. For now, the next thing you guys are going to see is another big suspension bridge. Oh my God, dude, are you kidding me? Guys, that was a phenomenal launch. It was so good. So good. This resort is off the charts by any standard. So, if you guys ever want to come to Nepal and come here, I highly recommend it. I more recommend just coming with Suresh, riding dirt bikes, stopping here for lunch, which is what we just did. And we're getting back on the bikes and heading out to do more riding, which is rad. And we're gonna end up in Bandipur tonight for the night, which is cool. I don't know where it's like, I've never been more like out of my element than I am right now, and I love it. Out of my element is in my element. I love it so much. So yeah, I'm gonna go get back on the bikes. All right, guys, we have hit a stop in the road. They're obviously doing some work here, and it's clear that one of the workers was telling Suresh to turn us around, and I know he doesn't want to do that. So now they're going up the road to like look at whatever it is that he says we need to turn around for. Oh, dude, I love this trip so much. This is awesome. I love it. Like, he's totally arguing as to whether or not we can go. All right, guys, so we did end up turning around, and thank goodness we have our wonderful guide and owner, Suresh, with us. Oh, guys, this is why you come with someone like Suresh, who's a local who knows his way, because there's no way if I were doing this by myself, I'd have been screwed. I would have just turned around and gone all the way back on to the bigger road and try to find a way around. Like, I don't even know. Such a wonderful human and just amazing at knowing everything around here. Above those. Above those. Alright guys, so you probably noticed already that a lot of these videos, it's really hazy and smoky looking. Well, that's because it is smoky. Everybody in Nepal and China and India, right around this area, they burn everything every year to reset the soil and to put everything back. So it was crazy smoky to start, but don't worry, it gets way better. Dude, look at this place. Dude, I don't even know. Like, my mind is like melting. This country is melting my brain. Because I don't.
Your hand okay?
Downtown Bandipur.
Because the architecture.
And absolutely incredible. Like, this trip is amazing, people. I can't. Yeah, I literally have no words. All right, guys, we're packing up here in Bandipur, and we're getting ready to head out. But yeah, there's all our stuff, guys. It's so rad to not have to ride with a whole bunch of gear, and they're really kind. They carry. Since we have a chase truck, like I'm going to start with this pack that I got from Big Agnes, which, by the way, massive shout out to Big Agnes, thank you very much. But that's going to carry the drone, so we can get some more drone footage, and then that's obviously my normal riding pack. They're going to have that in the chase truck, and we're going to swap, because while the Big Agnes pack is fine, it doesn't carry as well as the Wolf Enduro. It also doesn't have my tools and all that stuff. So. All right, guys, we are heading out on a day of 2. All right, guys. So Bandipur is a really cool little town. It's a tourist town, but I didn't see any Westerners. I saw all native-looking people. Native as in Nepalese, Indian, Chinese, all that area. No white people that I saw, and it's a really cool spot. Okay, quick note about the roads in Nepal. You can see that big thing on the left, that channel. That is for water during monsoon seasons. And the roads are constantly under construction because the monsoons wash everything out. It's also crazy because it can go from this, like you can see here, right to blacktop, absolutely perfect blacktop. And then up here in just a second, right back to construction and nuttiness. Right on, guys, we are heading down. There's a huge river down there. We're on our way down, coming from Bandipur, and that we just rode down. Like, they're building these roads right now, like as we're riding them. So this is so cool. In the U.S., they would keep you off for years. I mean, they would never let you go through a construction zone ever. Oh, there's our river. Holy crap. You guys are gonna see it. And the reason I just said holy crap is that Suresh is talking about wanting to play around in this river on the bike. I don't know about that. Oh my gosh. It's freaking huge. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys, we're down by the river. There's no way I'm crossing that river. Alright guys, that was so fun playing around on that beach, flying the drone. So happy I didn't have to cross that river. But now we gotta cross this suspension bridge. And Suresh says straight up that it's sketchy. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, I think you can tell in this video that the suspension bridge leans one way, half of it, and then the other way, the other half. And they put a little bar for you to put your wheel on because it's a metal bridge and you got rubber tires. You can see now it's pitched to the right and you've got your wheel on that bar to keep it from sliding down into the thing. We get about halfway here, it levels out, and then it goes to the other side. And honestly, it was super sketchy. I don't care what anybody says. Oh my gosh, this trip is, oh, this is so good. This is so good. It is not for the faint of heart. I will tell you right now, if you are generally a scared person, this is not the trip for you. But if you like getting out of your comfort zone, you need to come here. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I'm tracking it all on Onyx, so I'll have the GPS tracks for the whole thing.
Oh, gotcha. Cool.
So. everything changed on our way. It went from feeling like we were in the mountains to feeling like we were in a jungle. And now we're actually in, I believe, Chitwan National Park there for a little bit. Now we're back out and going through these back little roads, through these little towns. It's just beautiful. And the humidity and heat went through the roof. It got to probably 85 degrees outside. I'm guessing 60 to 70% humidity because we are in the jungle for real. Dude, this is like another planet. Here,
Everything. Yes.
come on out. Oh, I'm sorry. That's right.
No, they do not.
Thank you so much. Oh, how nice is this?
This is above my case.
Oh, that's nice.
Way nice. So good. So good. Oh my gosh.
Now and we have a pool, okay?
Oh yeah.
Get fresh.
Yeah. Guys, I just keep saying it, and I'm gonna keep saying it. I've never experienced a vacation like this. This is absolutely incredible. I just can't even. All right, guys, today is a rest day on the bikes, and we're going to go on a Jeep safari and a canoe trip, I believe. And we're gonna hopefully see rhinos. We saw one on the way in here, which is rad. All right, guys, we are going to the Chitwan National Forest or National Park. I think it's the biggest national park in Nepal. I'll try to get some more stats here for you as we go. I'll look those up later, but it's very, very big, and it's incredible, like where we are. Hard to describe how very different this country is already, like what we've seen. And there's some goats. Hey, goats. my goats.
Our jungle name is Kumrose Forest. Okay, small part of Chitwan National Park, like buffer zones. Buffer zones means half national park, half community forest, called buffer zone. 70% community forest, 30% national park. In this park, 68 kind of mammals here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like tiger, rhinoceros, elephant, slot deer, 4 types of deer, wild boar, leopard, gaur, also wild dog, hyenas. Okay. Look at that color. Yeah, so cool.
All right, guys. Raju and Narayan, get it all ready? Yeah.
Everything ready, brother.
Awesome.
And just for I manage for tools,
Yeah.
and I'm checked for everything's good for
Everything's good?
property, everything for tomorrow for ready
Awesome.
for drive, and just for I'm rest for drink one beer.
Oh yeah, oh take your time. Yeah, drink as many beers as you want. That's awesome.
Everything good.
Great.
Hey, buddy, how are you again?
Hey, those guys are the best. They're the best. You're the best. Take care of our bikes every day. Oh, so nice for them to just handle everything. It is so smooth here. So smooth.
There's only 4 of us.
How are you?
I'm very good and very excited to take you around this Raptin River.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's famous for canoe safari.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see some wild animals.
Awesome.
हाँ सर त्यो घरियाल र उके मिल्दो भन्दाखेरि
यिनीहरू चाहिँ एनिमी नै हो ठुलो भयो चाहिँ त्यो सँगसँगै बसेको हो
दिनभरि त्यही पोजिसनमा बसिन्छ है
All right, guys, we are getting ready to leave Chitwan. Got Raju, he's doing a good job. Narayan's doing a great job. Woohoo! Everybody's keeping us rolling. Bikes are in great shape. These guys are amazing, absolutely amazing people. I love them to death. This is an amazing place. It's called Casey's Restaurant? Casey's Restaurant. Stay here if you're in Chitwan. It's amazing. It's really, really good. And we're riding all the way back to Pokhara today. So long ride, 170 kilometers. And there'll be some highway, some dirt. Anyway, here we go. Oh, it's a 1x1 suspension bridge. So many of these bridges here. It's awesome. Down in the valley with all those people and all that traffic and all that rain, and now we're coming up and we're just going straight up a mountain. I mean straight up a mountain. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, guys, quick check-in. Look where we are. Air quality is getting better. It's still a little hazy, but we're getting rain, obviously, down low. That's helping open up the skies. Really looking forward to getting up into the Himalayas in the next 2 days, where we can get some super clear skies and see the big mountains. But already it's so much better. We can actually see way down in these valleys. It's just crazy. Look at all those terraces and where these people live. It just doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't compute. It's so different from home. Even the landscape, a lot of times in the mountains you just kind of feel all the same. They're all beautiful big mountains, but not here. This feels different. Bikes are working great. We definitely just softened up some suspension, backed out some clickers, made it better. The bikes seem a little bit bouncier to do, probably because they put some more air in the tires to make sure we're not getting flats, which, you know, is part of the deal. Running tubes, can't be getting flats up here. It's a pain in the butt to fix them. They are prepared, they got all the stuff to fix them, but you know, to make the experience better and just keep moving, it's nice to just be rocking and rolling. But the bike, guys, bikes are doing great. Quick, I've had some people want to know a little bit about the bikes. Let's just go around this thing real quick. It is a Crossfire Honda copy. Definitely looks like a Honda, there's differences, like oil filter I think is down there, water pump, you know, things like that. Definitely a little different. They come with fans on them. Fans all work. Suspension is just Chinese copy stuff, but honestly, guys, the bikes have been good. Bikes have been really good. So I've been really happy. I'm gonna do a separate review video of the bike while we're out here eventually, but right now, you know, there it is. And these are the absolute top of the line of what you can purchase in Nepal, other than having unlimited money and importing something exotic like from Japan or Austria or something like that. But as far as what a normal human can purchase, this is as good as it gets. So I'm super happy to be riding them. They just start and run and work great. Yeah, they've been super good. I'm out here on the corner hoping these guys are gonna be coming by here soon so we can get a video and keep on moving. Yoo-hoo! There we go. That's a little more like my world. That was fun. It's just a short little piece of single track, but whatever. It's so freaking beautiful here. It's so awesome to be doing this. Oh my gosh, people, if you're watching this and you have any inkling to come to Nepal, just do it. I'm gonna say that 1,000 times in this video, but just do it. Make it happen. Make it freaking happen. God, it's life-changing. Suresh, how is it going?
Oh man, everything is good, and so far we are doing pretty good with, and the weather's favor is with us. And look at this epic view from this place.
So beautiful.
And this is one of my favorite trail too. So I'm very glad to take these boys to around these places.
What town is next?
The next town is called Dedgaon.
Yeah.
Where we will have our lunch, and it's like a beautiful flat zone place.
Awesome. Yeah, buddy. Hello, so many goats. Hello, so many goats. Namaste. All right, guys, we made it to lunch, and I made some new friends. Hey, guys. Say, ah! Yeah, dirt bikes! My new best friends in Nepal. I'm very excited to see them. We're here for lunch now. Oh, that was a fun ride in. All right, on guys, we're down here in the river playing around with Suresh. I think that is our suspension bridge that we get across on, maybe. I don't know, right there. Did we cross the suspension bridge? Did we cross that suspension? Oh. Anyway, awesome lunch. Now we're doing this. Guys, I'm telling you.
The Raju, where he is there, go in a first gear, okay?
Yeah.
Because it's steep, and just Narayan, where he is standing,
Yeah.
there is a cliff, so you just have to take
Stay
that
left.
turn.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. I will go first.
One at a time?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so fun. Oh my gosh. This trip makes me want to come here for a month and put it in single track in these hills. It would be epic. I mean, absolutely epic.
You'll never guess who went over the bank.
Oh,
So like, Suresh stood up and I looked back and Tom hit a rock and the bike went king, king, woo! Or right over the edge.
is he all right?
He's okay. He's down about 40 feet.
Holy sh**. If anyone thinks I am making this up, you are crazy. I don't know what to say. I do not know what to say. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I didn't get any really good video or pictures from seeing the Himalayas at that point, but we could see Annapurna, you could see Nilgiri, you could see a bunch of the big mountains. And honestly, I was at a loss of words and I actually began to weep. I'm not joking. It was so powerful and so moving. I've dreamed of seeing these mountains my absolute entire life, and to get to see them was mind-blowing. All right, guys, that is the end of Loop 1. It was absolutely amazing. We took 2 days to get to Chitwan. Then we spent a day in Chitwan doing safari stuff, like a rest day on the bikes, let the mechanic get them all dialed back in and everything ready to go. And then we did one long day back to Pokhara. It was just absolutely brilliant. Hopefully the video does it justice. It will never do it all the justice that it should, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe. The North Loop is coming soon. I'm working on editing that right now, so hopefully I'll get that done here pretty quickly, and you guys can see that. I cannot recommend Himalayan Life Adventures enough, and Suresh and his team, they are the most amazing people. This was the best trip I've ever been on, hands down. So thank you very much. I love you. God bless each and every one of you, and we will see you on the next one.